Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Josfit Slimming Wristband. So if you don't know what this is basically an ultrasonic, quote-unquote, wristband that helps you reduce fat. So as you can see right here, just by wearing it, you just get detoxed and energized every morning just by the ultrasound. I don't know what that does. So as you can see, their claim here, this is the image, this is the what it looks like. So it burns stubborn fat effortlessly while you go about your day. No intense workouts or restrictive diets needed. So that's too good to be true. Detoxifying vibration waves. That's also too good to be true. That's just fake. Portable and lightweight design. Yeah, that's obvious. It's water resistant, easy USB charging, and one size fits all adjustable strap. So let's go over here to Amazon and see the reviews here. So as you can see, they only have 2 reviews. As you can see, the only thing I can say that is fast center is not very good, and Budget for Husband seems happy with it. So that's the only 2 reviews here on Amazon that I could find. However, we actually have this other one here, which is the Wheelaholic blog. As you can see, Josfit Ultrasonic Bracelet, does it really work? So their honest findings, their honest take on the trending slimming bracelet is that there is no scientific evidence supporting fat burning claims. There's also suspicious marketing tactics and fake reviews, just like this one. This is really easy to fake. You can just get these images from the internet and just type anything that you want here. So also here, it is also overpriced for $65 for $2 basic $2 mosquito repellent bracelet, and there is no real customer success stories found. So they didn't find any real ones that have actually lost weight. So yeah, please do not buy this in hopes of you're burning fat. You still need to do your diet or your exercise for you to get slimmer. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.